Hey everybody, I'm Raquel Martin, your local real estate agent, and today I'm here with Dr. Ashley Sebro.
Hi.
Hi! And she is the owner of Wilton Pediatric Dentistry here in Wilton Town Center. And so Dr. Ashley has a great facility here, and she's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, so I opened Wilton Pediatric Dentistry in June of 2018 because previous to that there was no specific pediatric practice here in Wilton. And a lot of people aren't necessarily familiar, but pediatric dentistry is its own specialty. It takes an extra 2 years after dental school to really learn how to address the specific needs of the pediatric and special needs population. I myself am a board certified pediatric dentist, which means that I went to extra testing to prove my knowledge and capability in the field of pediatric dentistry. And so I'm really happy to be here treating the children of Wilton and helping everybody have a positive dental experience.
And so you said that there's 2 additional years after dental school that you have to go, and you specialize in pediatric.
Exactly.
Dentistry.
So at the end of dental school, everybody is a dentist, but in order to be a pediatric dentist, I went to a training program in Philadelphia, and it was hospital-based, and we covered special needs dentistry, growth and development, behavioral disorders, genetic disorders, nervous kids, orthodontic intervention, and a whole host of things that are really pediatric specific.
And so what made you want to specialize in just pediatrics?
You know, I have liked working with children my whole life. Even as a kid, I volunteered with the Girl Scouts when I was in high school. I used to work as a summer camp counselor, babysitter, all of that stuff. And when I got into dental school, I really found my home in the pediatric clinic. I actually started a club with a couple of other classmates where we did outreach to underserved children and educated, teen mothers and things like that in dental topics to help their kids have a healthier dental smile situation.
So there are a lot of dentists in the area who cater to the whole family. What sets you apart from everybody else?
Well, I am the only pediatric dentist in Wilton. So while many children do well at a general dentist, there's always the kids who might have a little tougher time in the chair or might have some specific needs that aren't necessarily addressed by a general dentist, and that's where I come in. So, for example, a really nervous child who's having a tough time, my office is set up to be kid-friendly. We have prizes, stickers, we have TVs on the ceiling, they can watch their favorite show, and really have an easier time in the chair and grow up to be an adult who is not scared of the dentist.
So I noticed that when you go into the rooms, which we'll show everybody, there's the way it's set up. It's set up really nicely.
Thank you. So something about me, I don't really like clutter, and for somebody who's nervous about coming to the dentist, seeing all the instruments when you walk in can be very intimidating. So I designed the office to be that everything is kind of hidden in drawers under the countertop until we actually need it. That way when a child walks in, they're not immediately thinking, what's that, what's this, is it going to hurt, what is that scary looking item?
Right. They should do that for adults. I know when I go into the dentist and I'm like, what's this sharp thing you're going to use? And,
exactly.
You don't realize that they're using these instruments because obviously you can't see, but
Right.
they're intimidating.
Right, and I mean, a lot of the scariest stuff doesn't even go into your mouth, but try telling that to a scared 6-year-old. That doesn't
exactly.
really work.
It doesn't work.
No.
So that's great. So there's a few things that you have. You said you have this tree
Yes.
on the wall, and so you want to tell
I do.
everybody about that?
Yeah, so when you come to my office and you have a healthy smile and a successful checkup, we have our no cavitries, and the kids are so excited to write their name on either a snowflake or a leaf depending on the season, and we put them up on the walls, and they're really excited to be able to come back and see their name the next 6 months later. And we switch them out every season, so if maybe you didn't have such a good checkup, you didn't have a chance to put it on in the winter, you get another chance in the summer.
And kids love seeing their names.
Exactly. Who doesn't love their name on the wall?
So Dr. Ashley,
Yes.
if I'm a parent and it's my first time bringing my child in, and you've talked about the dentist, you talk about what they're going to do, and the child is still nervous, still scared. They come in, and as nice as your place is, they're still nervous.
It happens.
What are the things that you do to help?
So, generally speaking, if you know that your child is very nervous, you should call us, and we're happy to arrange just a visit. Come, say hi, look around, get a sticker and a high five, and leave. And kind of demystify the visit, because if every time a child comes, nothing scary happens, then they'll eventually trust me, they'll get in the chair, and we'll have a happy experience for everybody.
Great, that's a great tip.
Great, thank you.
So how can everybody reach you?
Our phone number is 203-529-1242, and we also offer online scheduling because we know that parents are really busy these days on our website, which is wiltonpediatricdentistry.com.
And where are you located? Just the address.
101 Old Ridgefield Road. We're right near the center of town. We're right near Wilton Pizza, CVS, and you can't miss us.
Yeah. So thank you so much for doing this. I mean,
Of
you're
course.
great. I love your place.
Thank you.
I think you have a really nice thing going, and I know that when I brought my daughter, specifically my daughter, to the dentist, and she wouldn't open her mouth, the dentist that we went to wasn't very kind to her, and so I never went back. So to hear what you do and how you ease their fears is really nice.
Oh, thank you.
So I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. It was so nice to have you here. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.